Yellow fish curry. Heat oil in a wok over medium heat. Add onion, carrot, zucchini and pumpkin. Stir fry for 5 minutes or until the onion softens. Add curry paste and stir for 1 minute or until fragrant and the vegetables are coated in the paste. Stir in coconut milk and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the wok and cook for 10 minutes or until the pumpkin is tender. Uncover and add the fish, stirring gently to combine. Simmer for another 5 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Season with salt and pepper. Serve the curry in bowls on steamed rice. Finish with some coriander and fried shallots. This easy yellow curry makes a tasty family meal. Make it with any firm fish fillets and throw in any veggies you like. For the full recipe, see the description below.